Hey guys, Get Level here, and today I'm gonna show you how to customize your Twitch channel. Now I know that I made a couple of videos like that, but it's time for an update. The website has changed since, so I figured out I would make another video about it, showing you every little single thing that you can customize as a Twitch streamer. Okay, now full disclaimer, customizing a Twitch channel means everything that you can do on the Twitch website itself, on your profile, so that has nothing to do with your broadcasting. Okay, customizing a Twitch channel doesn't mean putting a camera overlay, for example. That's not the same thing. That's your broadcasting software, and I have another video on that. You can check it out. Okay, right before we start, a lot of you watch a ton of my videos without ever subscribing. I don't know why, but here's your friendly reminder to subscribe. It really helps me out, and it also helps you out. That way you will not miss any video that I upload. Anyways, let's get to customizing. All right, so we're here on my bots channel. Okay, this is not my main channel. This is my bots channel because it gives us the possibility to customize it completely and also show you what a channel that is not affiliated will look like, all the options you get as a non-affiliate. Don't worry, I will also show you the affiliate options on my main account right after. So it's very simple. All the options that you get on your front page, what I call your front page, is banner, profile picture, offline image, and then panels. Okay, let's go over them. So for the banner, most people don't even know that you can just click on your name here and then show the banner. Most people that are watching you from desktop will not know that, but if someone is looking at your profile from their phone, the banner will show. It's the first thing that will show. So the banner is important. Once we're done customizing this, I will show you what it looks like on mobile. Okay, so in order to customize your Twitch channel, obviously you have to log in with your Twitch channel, go to your own channel here. And then of course, in order to switch out the banner, you're going to have to click on your name to reveal it and then click update profile banner. Now, for this demonstration, this tutorial, I'm going to be using some graphics from the Futuristic pack that you can find on gumroad.com/getlevel. So if you go to gumroad.com/getlevel, I am using this one, Futuristic, right there. But obviously you can use your own if you wish to. If you want to create your own graphics and you don't know about the dimensions and what size you should make your stuff, I actually have an overlay pack, a cheat sheet that I call a template guide, if you will. That is for free still on gumroad.com/getlevel. So you can use that as a template in a way to create your own graphics in order to have them fit perfectly. And it is right there, Twitch artwork size guide template right here. And as you can see here, it's 0+. That means that it is free, but you can add whatever price you want, or you can just put 0 and then add it to your cart. All right, so let's get back here and we will click upload a photo. As you can see here, it gives you a recommended size. Don't worry about that too much. The most important thing here is really the 10 megabytes file size, which shouldn't be an issue. Click upload a photo and then find the overlay pack. So Futuristic, images, and then I'm gonna find banner. Those are not customized at all because that's how you get them from the pack. But of course, you can use your editing software of choice to put your own information there. Okay, so boom, here we have the banner. All right, I can also show you another place where you can replace the banner, but a little bit later. Okay, for the profile picture, all you have to do is go hover over it, click on it, and then it will give you the option. Here we have an avatar. This one is made to basically put a picture and then you drag and drop this on top of it. So the middle part here is transparent. So if you have a picture of yourself, you can just drag and drop it in whatever editing software and you'll have it. Just make sure it is not cropped at all and boom. Here, click save. Okay, that's good. Okay, now we have to change the offline image. We have to upload an offline image. There are two places where you can find it. You can either go to settings here. You click top right on your profile, go to settings and then channels and videos. It will bring you here. Okay. Or from your channel, you can directly just go to your dashboard. Okay, so click on your profile, click creator dashboard, and then top left under that little menu here, under preferences, channel. I know it's a weird path to get there, but that's how Twitch has it right now. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit and we will find video player banner. That's what they call the offline image. Okay, so click update, click upload a photo, find the offline screen that is included in the pack, click open, wait a couple seconds, and then success. you now have an offline image. But right before we quit this page, you will see that here, there's something called profile accent color. Now you can pick your own color here. Basically what shows up when people hover over your videos or just your channel in the thumbnails. I'm gonna have it to a certain light blue just to make it match our overlay pack. It matches even better when you have that little accent light. Boom, click the check mark here, and then we should be good. Now it's kind of annoying to go back to your channel from here because if you click top right, you have to go back to Twitch or whatever. So we're just gonna go back from here, okay? And now we have an offline image. That easy, okay? Now let's go to the panels. So far, so good. We have our banner, okay? We have our avatar, offline image. Let's go to panels. In order to get to the panels, you have to click here, edit panels, and it will put you in edit mode, okay? So here, big plus, that's basically add a new panel. You can either add a text or image panel or an extension panel. In that case, we want text and image. All right, of course, here you have a panel title. Here we're gonna put about me, for example, just for example, because I'm gonna go back to here in a little bit. We're gonna click add image, click here, and of course, in the futuristic pack, there is an about me panel included. Just make sure you don't crop it at all. So make sure this is wide, click done. And you can technically already submit it. Always submit it, always save. That's how you save it. If you don't submit it and then you go off of the edit panel, it will not save it. So wait a couple seconds, and now you can go off of the edit. And here's your first panel. Congratulations, you made it. Now, here's the thing. I see a lot of people have this issue here where they will have the title say about me and then a panel that says about. This is redundant. You don't want that. Okay, so here's the little tip. You don't need to put a panel title. You can just delete this, click submit, and that's it. You're good. Your panel says about. You don't need to put it twice. Okay, now when it comes to the text, you can type whatever you want here, of course. Something that is hinted here that is very important is the markdown. Markdown is a form of formatting for your text. So if you want to put bullet points and all of that, I don't recommend bullet points in an about me panel, but you know what I mean. Click on that little markdown thing here and learn about it. If you want to make a text like here, clickable, that is also where you will learn how to do it. So that's very, very, very important. We're not going to be writing an about me panel. I have an actual very, very, very in detail, in-depth video about, you know, the front page of your Twitch. Go and watch that if you want more details about it. So let's keep it that way. We're actually not going to put any text. And let's talk about links. Okay, so now you have your image. What if you want to make that image clickable? So right here it says image links to. So for example, if I wanted that to link to my Gumroad, there you go. I would go here, Control C to copy it, and I will go there, Control V to paste it. Submit, and now my link is clickable. My image is clickable. My link is clickable. And it brings me there. Okay, so it's that simple. You do that for all of your panels. I'm probably gonna put this in a time lapse. Let's do it. Okay, so I added 9 in total. Let's do this. A good way to make sure that you don't do any mistakes is go and check if every submit button is gray after you've done all of that, okay? And there you go. All of your panels are right here, okay? I didn't add any links there because this is my bots channel, but you would want to add your Twitter, your YouTube, your Discord, your specs. For the donation, you would add your Streamlabs donate link or Stream Elements or whatever donate service you're using that allows you to have alerts. If you're creating your own graphics, keep in mind that, you know, it has to be compatible both with light mode and dark mode. And in this case, in the futuristic pack, those are transparent backgrounds, so they apply to both. Okay, so that's the white theme and that's the dark theme. Also keep in mind that most people will use the dark theme. All right, technically your front page is completely done. I will try to take a screenshot of the mobile right now to show you what actually appears on mobile. When people check out your channel, you will realize that the offline image doesn't show on mobile. What actually shows is the banner and the profile picture, but then there's a little description that is not shown anywhere here. Now, where do you change that little description that people find on the Twitch app? You have to click on your profile top right, go to settings, and then scroll down. And right here underneath profile settings, it will say your username, your display name, and then bio. This is where you will type that little description. So it's really important. Most people don't even know this, so they don't put anything. So on mobile, there's no description at all. Here it is. This is where you would change that. Let's click on channel and videos. Okay, it will bring us to that new dashboard thing. When we scroll down, we saw the video player banner, and then we saw the profile accent color. If we check the menu, under preferences, we'll see channel, moderation. Under community, we will see activity, roles manager. And there's something that is missing here. And that thing that is missing for most of you, maybe not most of you, but for some of you, is the affiliate option. So if you're not a Twitch affiliate, I'm going to show you what you're missing. And if you are affiliate, I'm going to show you the options that you actually have. Okay, so we're here on my main channel. You can see mine is already fully customized. So I'm going to go to the dashboard. Going to click here and let's see what we have. So under community, I will have channel points. You've probably seen the channel points. I have a whole video about it, so go check it out if you want to learn more. But this is where you would change your options for the channel points. So it's under community. Okay. Now for the affiliate options, such as, sub badge, emotes, and all of that, it's under preferences. So you click preferences and then you will see affiliate. If you're a partner, of course, partner will appear here. And then here under subscription, you'll find subscription names. If you want to name your subscription, things like soldier sub, veteran sub, god sub. This is where you would change your emotes or upload your emotes. They're right there. You can see my emotes that are already there. I have an additional emote that I need to add here. Let's go back. Then you have your loyalty badge. So people that have been subbed for when they first subbed, 2 months, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 1 year, and all of that. This is where you would change it. This is where you can set the possibility for your subscribers to watch your stream without ads. That means that if you disable this, your subscribers will still see ads on your channel, I believe. Okay, so if we scroll down a little bit, under bits and cheering, this is where you would customize your cheer badges. Okay, so depending on the amount of bits that someone gave you, this is where you can customize what that badge will look like. I only have one because I made a video about it, basically. Now for everything that has to do with images, for example, if you purchase a pack and you don't like the color, you would like it to be a different color. I'm gonna give you an example with Photoshop here. For example, let's take the offline image. I will drag and drop it into Photoshop. All I would have to do here is I can either press Ctrl U on my keyboard to open the hue and saturation, or if you want, you can go to image, adjustments, hue and saturation. Let's drag it to the side and then change the hue. Okay, most of my overlays are single color just so that you can do this. Basically, you can pick a color and then the whole screen changes to one single color too. You can bump up the saturation. Okay, and boom, we made it purple now. Okay, and then just save that and use it as your offline image. I know most of you don't have access to Photoshop, but every single editing software or website has the hue and saturation option. Okay, so it's just the idea. Of course, if you want to get the futuristic pack, you can get that at gumroad.com/GaelLevel. It includes so many things, including everything to customize your Twitch channel, but also the overlays, the alerts, everything you basically need for a basic Twitch stream, for a highly customized Twitch stream, to be honest. If you have any comments or any suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comment section below. And of course, don't forget to follow me on social media. And that's it, guys. I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud. GaelLevel out.